Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make roasted asparagus. Oven roasted asparagus is one of my all-time favorite side dishes. It's simple to make and oh so good. Today I'm going to teach you all about asparagus. Asparagus is a spring vegetable, and the first thing that you need to know about it is how to tell if it's good or not. Asparagus spears should be nice and stiff. If they're super bendy or slimy at all, they've gone bad. Now, the next thing you need to know is that there's a woody bottom portion that's really unpleasant to eat. Now, the trick for getting rid of that is that asparagus has a natural breaking point. So if you just bend and snap, it'll break off that woody, inedible end. Now, you could snap them all one by one, or you can take a little end as a guide and cut off all of the bottoms at the same length. That way you're left with nothing but the good parts, and we are ready to roast. You want to lay out all of your asparagus spears in an even layer on a baking sheet. When you're spreading them out, if you come across any that are slimy or super bendy, make sure you get rid of those because once again, those are bad. Then we're going to take some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it right over all of our spears. Just a light drizzle is all you need. Then you'll want to take some salt and pepper and give them some good, nice seasoning there. I like to go a little bit heavier because it really accents the flavor of the asparagus. There's just something so delicious about a nice salty piece of asparagus. Next, we're going to take this and roast it in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Your actual roasting time will depend on the thickness of your asparagus spears. I don't know if you've noticed, but they're actually sold in different thicknesses. I consider the ones we're using today to be a good medium range. Sometimes they're a lot thicker than this, and sometimes they're a lot thinner. The thinner ones will need a few minutes less of cooking time, and the thicker ones will need quite a few minutes more. So make sure you keep an eye on that. Some people like their asparagus really tender crisp, so they'll want less of a cooking time. And some people like their asparagus to be a little more on the soft side, and that will be a little bit more cooking time. So keep an eye on it and cook it to whatever you like. And now you should know everything you need to roast asparagus in the oven. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my channel where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.